As the latest innovation from the renowned Google Pixel series, the Pixel Fold demands a case that complements its cutting-edge features and provides unmatched defense against everyday wear and tear. With a combination of exceptional design, durability, and functionality, this premium case is a must-have accessory for any Pixel Fold owner. Here are only betteroons. We are a bunch of product researchers and testers. We test, analyze, and research new products and create a list of top 5 best products based on price, quality, feature, and user feedback. So if you are interested in any product, I have linked to each product description below. You can check if you want. Number 1. Casemate. The Casemate Google Pixel Fold Case Tough Plus Clear is a solid and reliable option for protecting your valuable device. With its seamless design and ultra-slim profile, this case maintains the sleek look of your Google Pixel Fold while offering enhanced tactile buttons and a hardback panel. The crystal clear design not only showcases the original beauty of your phone, but also features anti-yellowing and anti-scratch technology, ensuring that your case remains newer for longer. When it comes to protection, this case excels with its 16 after-drop protection. Constructed with superior impact-absorbing materials, a dual shockproof layer, and soft cushion corners, it safeguards your device against drops, bumps, dirt, and scratches, providing reinforced 360-degree protection. The raised bezels add an extra layer of defense to your phone, keeping it safe from potential damage. Number 2. Spigen Thin. The hybrid structure of the UIC and TPU with air cushion technology makes the Pixel Fold case a truly impressive accessory. This combination ensures a durable and robust design while maintaining a slim profile. The lightweight construction, coupled with a premium matte finish coating, adds a touch of elegance to the case. The tactile buttons provide solid feedback and effortless pressing, enhancing the overall user experience. Additionally, the scratch-resistant PT material not only protects the phone, but also keeps it pocket-friendly. Compatible with the Pixel Fold, this case is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to safeguard their device without compromising on style. Number 3. Casiology. The Casiology Parallax 3D ergonomic design full-body protective case is a sleek and functional accessory that offers an excellent grip and enhanced ergonomics. The slim design of this case not only adds minimal bulk to your Google Pixel Fold 5G, but also provides flawless protection against scratches. Crafted with a combination of TPU and polycarbonate materials, it offers dual protection without compromising on style. The added adhesive strip ensures a secure fit, and the inclusion of an extra set in the box is a thoughtful touch. With its slim yet flawless design, the Casiology Parallax is a must. Number 4. Flurica. The Google Pixel Fold protective magnetic case is a standout product that combines convenience, functionality, and superior protection. With its strong magnets adsorption, wireless charging becomes faster and easier than ever, ensuring a seamless attach and detach experience. The case's 10 times stronger magnetic adsorption maintains a high-speed 15U charging capability, allowing you to charge your phone without the need to remove the case. It is also compatible with MagSafe accessories and third-party key-certified wireless chargers, providing versatility in charging options. The military-grade protection of this case ensures that your Google Pixel Fold is safeguarded from impacts and falls, thanks to its airbags in the 4 corners. The combination of a soft TPU frame and hard palsy back offers excellent grip and a non-slip design, while also providing resistance against fingerprints, oil, and sweat. Number 5. Jingangyu. The clear case with metal stand and hinge protection for the Google Pixel Fold 2023 model is a fantastic accessory that offers comprehensive protection and practical features. The package includes a clear case with a sturdy aluminum alloy stand and hinge protection, as well as a PET soft screen protector. The aluminum alloy stand is embedded in the case and can securely hold up large and heavy phones, offering adjustable positioning for optimal viewing angles. Moreover, its compatibility with MagSafe allows for effortless attachment to your MagSafe charger. The case itself is made of high-definition TPU bumper and PC back cover material, ensuring crystal clear transparency that won't yellow over time. The thickened TPU bumper and acrylic back cover provide rugged, shock-proof protection, safeguarding your phone from drops and scratches.